everyone, it's vectornator's autotrace queen, back with another autotrace tutorial. Exciting, right? What started as one video turned into a series because there is just so many ways to use this feature. Today is episode 1 of 2, focused on creating a small branding pack for a fish restaurant, or any other business called Holy Crab. I'm creating a custom new document that is 2000 by 2000 pixels. Straight away, I'm going to create a background, so use the Shape tool to cover your entire canvas in just one move. Right, let's lock the background, and create a new layer for the logo. This is our import tab. My beautiful crab from Heritage tab is here. One tap and it's ready to go. Then straight to the Style tab, Auto Trace is at the very top. I prefer sketch mode in this case, and I'm going to raise both my complexity and contrast a bit. And I like to disable everything except ignore white. And here we go. Let's make it orange. Crabs look kind of orange, right? Cooked at least. Anyway, it looks nice with this dark greenish color. I'm going to scale it down because I want to add some typography underneath. So let's make a brand new layer for that. I'll use my whitish nude that looks kinda white here, and let's write Holy Crab. In capitals this time. What do you guys think of the name? I chose it myself. I didn't even ask copywriters for help here. I went for Allegreia as the font. Wait, fit bounds to text size is going to help here. And I want the letters to space out a bit more, which basically means I'm adjusting the tracking. Okay, let's align. A little bit more up. And down. Are you not entertained? The second part of the text will be grill and bar. Again, 0 copywriters needed. But I want a fancier font this time, like this one. Let's make it 80 points. Place it here. Align everything again, and done. Okay, I lied. One last change. What do you think? Yay or nay? I lied again. One last edit. Okay, now it's perfect. That's all for today's tutorial. Tune in for our next episode, where we create an amazing business card to match this extra logo, which we did in 3 minutes, by the way. See you in my next video, bye!